Cardiovascular disease is ranked as one of the significant contributing factors to physical health burden. However, mental health crises such as depression and anxiety are common among people living with cardiovascular disease, with anxiety and depression being reported at a conservative rate of 20 to 40%. Exercise is a component of cardiac rehabilitation that positively impacts physical and functional outcomes. And it is clear that exercise produces definite physical, quality of life, and secondary prevention benefits. Available evidence indicates that regular physical activity is associated with better perceived mental health and reduces risk factors associated with cardiovascular disease by 43.2% and 13 to 15% respectively. Imagine a world where eligible patients after having an acute cardiac event such as heart failure or heart attack were referred to an exercise program in a cardiac rehabilitation program to improve their body and mind. However, that is sadly not the case. In addition to low referral rates at 30 to 40%, low participation rates are also common in Australia and abroad at approximately 20%, which contributes to high hospital readmissions. Despite advancements in the prevention, detection, and management of cardiovascular disease leading to improved quality of life, living much longer and much happier lives, many barriers still need to be addressed. These include accessibility and addressing negative perceptions of the value in which cardiac rehabilitation offers. With the growing abundance of technology and consumption, mobile health has been thrust into the spotlight to address the issues in accessibility and also provide awareness of the benefits of cardiac rehabilitation. There is growing evidence to suggest that mobile health can be used successfully to encourage people to be engaged in more physical activity. However, the body of knowledge in regards to optimizing mental health via mobile health apps through physical activity interventions in people living with cardiovascular disease is still limited. To date, the feasibility study that I have conducted, which I have undertaken as a part of my PhD, reflects the potential of mobile health in addressing the challenges that people living with cardiovascular disease face, such as accessibility. Initial assessments of the feedback from our intended user, who were eligible for cardiac rehab, shows that providing concession for individuals to undertake physical activity instills confidence about their concerns in moving. Furthermore, I will be also exploring the effect of exercise on mental health outcomes in people living with cardiovascular disease through a systematic review and assess a well-being tool against a validated mental health questionnaire in hopes that holistic screening forms can identify mental health status of individuals in cardiac rehab. By doing so, I hope to highlight the importance of keeping movement in mind to optimize mental health in vital services such as secondary prevention while bridging the gap in accessibility. Thank you.